Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to play a video on Marco Polo Video Messenger app. Now, if you want to play a video on Marco Polo Video Messenger app, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now, playing a video, also known as Polo on the Marco Polo app, is very easy. You just need to make sure to watch the video till the very end. The first thing which you need to do is make sure that you have installed the Marco Polo app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after installing the app, you just need to open the Marco Polo app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you won't be able to play the video on Marco Polo app. So this is the home page of Marco Polo, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now to play the video on the Marco Polo app, you need to select the chat or tap on the chat where the video message was sent. So I have sent my video on the family group, so I'll simply tap on it and you need to play the polo which you have sent. So here are the number of polo which I have sent, so I'll simply tap on it, and as you can see, this is the video being played on my screen. So if I tap on the polo or the video will be automatically played, and you may also see the subtitle by if you click on the option of CC, which is also known as closed caption. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to play the video on the Marco Polo, and you'll be also able to doodle, add text and all of it on the Marco Polo. So that's it. That's how you can play a video on Marco Polo Video Messenger app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.